Aha,
Stasiun berapa?
23 lampu merah.
Jangan kaget, mulai 2015 semua orang bisa cari untung di semua negara anggota ASEAN.
Oh, good. How much this one?
No, not
Jangan juga bingung, semua punya peluang yang sama untuk sejahtera. Bersama kita siapkan Jakarta sebagai tuan rumah yang ramah bagi seluruh masyarakat ekonomi ASEAN.
The first official visit in Indonesia, but unofficially or working visit was also some time ago in 2015.
Thank you for Ambassador Muhammad to introduce us what we do here. This comes from Jakpro, a company, because kapan visit Lithuania? Visit? Udah belum ya? Bulan sebelum baru dan mau ke Lithuania ini belum. Belum. Kita tunggu. So planning is very interesting for a solar cell product from Lithuania. Solar cell, and also I think like ICT product. We want to make this like smart city because it's very advanced. So we have introduced this from our company. I believe business to business is more easy than we are government level to talk.
No, let's not underestimate. That's also important.
Yeah, I think that's what in my mind that we also want to hope Lithuania want to open your representative in Jakarta. I think Jakarta is more close than you in Malaysia because Jakarta will be the headquarters for the ASEAN country. We just expand the office. I think if Lithuania office in Jakarta is more easy to have relation with the Asian country and also with the representative of another country. Yeah, America is one your representative in the ASEAN. Good. That's from my side.
Thanks.
Thank you.
No, thank you, Mr. Garland, for receiving us. Our delegation pleased to be here, and it's first ever official visit of Foreign Minister to Indonesia. So it's really
Thank you.
time to come, because after some time we have relations and now regular, and it's really important to start more regular relations and also sign some agreements. What we're going to do at the end of the day. So it has to do with economic and technical cooperation, it has to do with our regular consultations with the ministries of foreign affairs, and definitely we will be able to touch upon not only bilateral issues but also EU-Indonesian dialogue, what would be done in this regard, because potential is high, and trade turnover is and trade is quite intensive. And the European Union is one of the main investors here, so this is really explains the story. Lithuania is a small country, and we are not making dividends, but we have some niche capabilities which are very good world-level quality in some aspects. And among them, it's IT to mention, or laser technology, or also you said about renewables. So renewable resources, energy resources, are important to my country as well. Trying to reach some target figures on our own, and also ready to share with you, because something already done, and also some footprint already existing in Indonesia. So using this opportunity, I don't know whether you know some of these gentlemen, but some of them, as they said, already had opportunity and pleasure to meet with you last year. But nevertheless, it's also part of our delegation, and they will say briefly a few words what they're doing, because it's exactly related to what's going on in Jakarta, frankly speaking. Greenvest presents also this renewable resources. It has to do with wind energy, solar energy.
You're already interested.
Yeah, also yes, Baltic Optical Disc presents also exactly this solar panels production and also very modern technologies, integrated technologies. They will say briefly what are the perspectives and what they're doing already, and really good perspectives for the future, and techniques, techniques operating in your Jakarta airport already, service repairing of aircrafts, and some perspectives in the future. So our purpose is really not just to inform what we are doing, but also to look at the future and to make this activity more sustainable, profitable, make sure that it's important for you, and definitely also important for our business. And this is exactly what we'd like to have in the future. So, if you don't mind, without further ado, I would ask colleagues to say a few words and maybe some requests from their side, and that would really be more informative, right? If you don't mind. So, please, start with you.
My name is Antanas Denis. I have a background of finance and energy for the last 15-20 years. We are based in Singapore, covering Southeast Asia from there, and we have a few projects actually in Jakarta. So the business that we introduced in Southeast Asia is called ESCO, Energy Service Company, where we assess the saving opportunities in energy in industrial or commercial buildings. We build the project and we finance the investment ourselves. We get repaid from the savings. This way, the owner of the property doesn't take the project risk and does not have to invest capex. So I think for Jakarta property, this could be a very big potential. I think just Jakarta area has up to $500 million can be saved per year on energy resources. Roughly, the project that we have now in Sudirman, Sahijaya, our investment is $1.5 million. So we're in the middle of the project right now. We plan to invest 1.5 million, annual savings to 0.7. After 4 years, all the savings stay with the host. So they get the savings long term, which is over $7 million over the period of 10 years. And with the increasing energy prices, it's even more. The reason I think it's very important to do now is when the energy price is growing and economy is slowing down, the focus on efficiency and cost cutting is becoming more and more important. So if we take China, Thailand, or US as an example, the government has been active, and the local governments have been very active trying to push through this model. Schools, hospitals, government buildings, other buildings that are under the city, that they could become more efficient without government making the investment front end.
Next month, we will be groundbreaking. Next month, we will be groundbreaking, developing 7,200 units apartment for Asian Games used as an village. I think this project is good. We can
interchange contacts.
For sure.
Okay. I think it's more easy when you start groundbreaking. You already sign, already have. And more easy if you use our company. If the government has a bidding, headaches. Really headaches. That's why I like to develop our own company. You do it business to business.
We have local partners on site here in Indonesia that do both energy efficiency, gas, electricity, and also water, so we can cover the whole spectrum.
Very good.
Let's listen to others, right? Also, if you don't mind, please.
Thank you, Minister. Governor, you probably remember I was here last time with our chairman. You very kindly sat through the whole presentation, 40 minutes of it. So I will not talk about technology. You remember we are providers of the solar glass technology. We already engaged with JAK Pro And we looked at different options for specifically for Jakarta. The number one challenge is finding the space, because there's not enough land. Land is scarce. So our proposal to Jakarta is to focus on schools. And the way we want to develop is to build new structures for schools, which we will finance at our own cost. And these will be useful structures such as car parks, multi-purpose halls, and the schools will have it will be fully functional for the school usage, but the rooftops will be made out of solar. And the electricity generated will be sold to the grid, to PLN, and the revenue from this will be shared with the schools. So this is the model that we've already implemented in Malaysia. It's very win-win, because the schools get a new building free of charge. They don't take any project risk, similar as my colleague. We take on the project risk, and the banks, of course, and us. And we give new revenue to the schools.
What we need now is your agreement in Malaysia. We want to copy this.
Yes, can.
That's,
Possible. Yeah, the model.
It's us in the draft.
Yeah, we have, and we have the structures. They're very nice looking structures. They're multi-purpose halls. Most schools need new buildings.
You just send to me the proposal, not his.
Yeah, and you can easily get in Malaysia. We have 50 schools participating. It's 40.
We have more than 2,000 schools.
In Jakarta, yes. Yes.
And you could try in our Thousand Island.
Or
we have a resort area. There's a lack of the electricity.
yes.
There are many buildings there.
It can be any public sector building, hospitals, orphanages, even mosques. In Malaysia, we're doing mosques as well. But for now, we focus for schools, because schools need new buildings and they need new revenue. Because this revenue, we give it to Parents and Teachers Association, so they can spend it at their own discretion.
But in Indonesia, you have to get into the government.
Okay.
The school couldn't get a revenue.
Yeah, we can discuss, but
When you will send to me the proposal, like Malaysia.
I can send it tonight if you know.
Okay.
It's ready to go.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You
that's-
send an email or what? Pass it.
Can. Yeah, no problem. Yeah.
We have another meeting with another department.
Sure. And this
We have an agreement. It's like a beauty contest.
and it can be justifiably, this can be called CSR, corporate social responsibility, because generally the schools are getting something free of charge and zero risk on their side. Yeah.
With the participation of the governor, it was said, yes.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
my authority.
yeah.
That's my authority. And the business to business with him. You're talking about the school building with me.
Yeah, but it's really good, right?
Yeah.
Oh, just to look at that.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
You're interested.
We have many. We have a low-cost apartment also.
Sure. Yeah.
We could sell directly electricity to them. We have we have many low-cost apartments. Now it's more than 30,000 units. At the end of next 2017, we will add 50,000 more.
Sure.
Low-cost apartment. We make a big settlement from the river bill.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, so thank you very much. Let's listen now
This is
to
great for
transport sector and aviation.
Kontak ya Pak. Wali, Bu Sinta, ya. Supaya cepat ini. Kita minta kopi yang Malaysia aja kayak apa. Kalau kita jauh kerjasamanya modelnya. Kita langsung kerjain. Cepat. Ada maksud modelnya apa? Yeah. I just need to copy how to follow them. The same with the permit of the building. I ask my staff, you just ask Singapore ambassador. I asked ambassador Singapore, Pak Anil, you tell me how you give the permit building, high-rise building in Singapore. Why too many investment there? Give me the copy. I will just to copy all your regulations to make it faster everything.
Yeah, no need to invent wheel.
Yeah.
Already invented.
It's more difficult to be a businessman than be a government official.
You're complaining now.
It's more easy to be a government official. You have authority. You like a mafia. You just ask a tax from everybody. You don't want to care their profit or not. Pay the tax. It's like a tax and mafia. It's easy for government official. We suspend you to think about the ERIR, everything. ROI, everything you have to think about that. But government official, just how to make everything transparent and easy for them. If we could give a benefit for both of us, then just do it.
Or
Yeah.
you could send.
Okay. Right now?
Yes, you do that tonight.
You just give to me.
I have a soft copy, but I will send it after this meeting right away.
You have some copy now?
Sorry?
You have some copy, just give to my staff.
Okay, a digital copy. Yeah.
I did it, okay.
Well, so thank you so much.
Send emails, this email is too big or not?
Just don't tell Malaysians, okay? That I shared with you.
Fine, can we move to another sector?
Okay, another sector.
Dear Governor, Minister, my name is Simon Ashilegis and I'm representing the aviation sector. And our group of companies is working for already more than 20 years back in Europe, like in Lithuania, and right now we have already establishment here in Malaysia. And we have established a PMA with Indonesian partners here, and since last year we are renting the hangar in Soekarno-Hatta. So in general, we are already established also the company, and I think that what we're going to do is to really contribute to the growth of aviation industry and the sector in Indonesia as general, because it's what we see is that the fleet is growing tremendously, the flights, the routes network is growing tremendously, the passenger it's really booming right now in Indonesia, but the sector which we are in is the technical maintenance of the aircraft. And this is something which is really we see that still misses some of more of the attention and all the companies working with. So what we're going to bring is the European quality control standards, and we have a hangar right now in Soekarno-Hatta, and we'll see if that goes well. We have been looking also into participating in privatizing the park maintenance facility like in Surabaya. Maybe that will come in some time again. And this is the sector we think does have a very big future, and that this is where we can contribute as from Lithuania, and as well bringing know-how, training engineers, training pilots, and employing local people. So that's the situation I'm representing.
So, Mr. Governor, as you can see, we are not trying to do something unrealistic. We are a small country, so we having this niche capabilities, trying to spread and to make full use of what is that. The main feature is efficiency, quality, speed, implementation. We can verify elsewhere how it's going on. And as I said, it will be successful, so that will be proliferated further, and we will also facilitate this climate of better cooperation within the European Union to make sure that these relations will expand even more. So what we need from your understanding, as I feel that you do have this understanding, also your support, your backup, and from our side, being from government position, and I see that business also happy to share this view as well, so we'll do our best to make sure that it's win-win solution. It's really both sides winning and nobody's losing, frankly speaking. And since we're talking about modern technologies, so it has to do with the future. And sustainability, not just vision, but also implementation, very important. So that's our message to you, and our hope to continue in this spirit.
Yeah, if you're doing business now, it's very easy. We have a one-stop service. In all our sub-district, district office, we have more than 317 offices. You just come to one of this office, every permit we will solve your problem. One-stop service. Really, it's like a broker office, like a banking. Everything, every permit, building, everything, office. But if we're talking about the aviation, it's not our authority. And Soekarno-Hatta is not our province. There's another province. It's a Banten province. But people always say Soekarno-Hatta, Jakarta, Jakarta. Actually, it's the border of Jakarta. It's near another province. But if you office here, you have one permit, every problem, we could fully stop.
Actually, we have been looking into Halim airport previously.
Oh yeah, Halim is
prior to going to Soekarno-Hatta.
Which is in Jakarta?
Jakarta, Halim is
So you see, we can really...
And we didn't manage to get the facility with it because again it's very much related to the Air Force and its regime is a little bit different than Soekarno-Hatta, so we went to Chingay because there was an opportunity, but we still have a warehouse near Halim where we store the spare parts. So it is interrelated.
What kind of airplane? Boeing, everything?
It is mainly for Boeing and Airbus, for commercial aircraft.
You already work with Sriwijaya Air?
Yes, we do. Yeah.
As from my field, my campo. Sriwijaya Air. They just bought a new tool.
Yeah. It shall be delivered next month. They are replacing they're changing the fleet from classic to mission.
I have a name of one aircraft. I put the name. Very close friend.
So is it Pakananta or? Is it Pakananta, Vijaya?
Henry Lee and Japan, the owner. Very close because the same Kampong. This is Henry Lee and Japan Lee.
Yeah.
Probably, or
Yeah,
what is it?
EOD, Paul.
But now they don't have a business with Jakpro again, with us. No need to visit anymore. But they have many technology like laser, everything. Now in Indonesia also for the hospital, for the aesthetic, it's very booming in Jakarta. People like use laser technology for aesthetic, beauty aesthetic, the hospital. There are many products. Itu ini bagus dia laser semua.
Okay, some literature just regarding laser technologies. We'll have some information on your staff will be able to have a look at that. We are producing the world level, so to say, quality and production. Over, as I said, small country, but 10% of scientific lasers coming from Lithuania and produced globally, yes, in the world. And some more information on that. And just small souvenir to you.
It's also a good tourist place. Never been there. Maybe this is a gift.
It's big.
Специалю
Специалю кашуки прашу прямо. Я в этом чемерской практически. So if you'll be able, we'll be happy to receive you in Lithuania, in Vilnius. Come yourself. You will have opportunity to look yourself.
I think not
And the ambassador will remind you.
I think from the apartment, if you for schools, okay, but for apartment, I think it's content about it.
Kemarin aku udah pernah tawaran kalau Indonesia bikin sendiri, makanya banyak teknologi ini. Soal tanah kemarin.
Ada navigasi di Indonesia.
Tapi dia mau bikin pabrik di sini.
Dari tadi aja sih sebenarnya.
Ada
efisiensinya. Dulu kita
Coba
jas sama punya.
beli,
ya.
coba aja.
Ya. Bagus sih teknologi solar.
Ke Lituania udah berapa kali? Bapak udah berapa kali ke Lituania? Bapak nggak biasa di situ.
Kok bisa saya itu?
Kan kau pernah lihat, dia masih pergi kan?
Bolak-balik.
Bolak-balik juga.
Terus meneruskan dua itu wilayah saya.
Terus menerus ya.
Makanya biar mereka punya itu solar panel.
Buat jalan-jalan enak juga nih, Turki ya. Jakarta, kita bisa kerja.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. I have to give, but this is the heavy. This is heavy. Jakarta, what Jakarta? What is this national movement?
Yeah, we saw
So I have
There are other projects that suggest
make a group.
business people,
Excuse me, can you make a photo with this? Can you make a photo with this? Okay.
Evi,
Iya.
tolong bantu ya, tolong bantu ya. Hanya sentuh aja soalnya. Bisa bantu? Tolong bantu ya, sentuh aja ya. Sentuh ya. Oke.
Oke. Ya, langsung yang kecil ya. Ikut dong, Jakpro ikut. No, so everybody know who you are. Business.
Okay, thanks once again.
So I go.